Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove authorized apps from Instagram. This option is actually not available in Instagram's mobile apps. So, we need to launch Instagram's web interface. Once logged into your account, go to your profile and click on this cogwheel at the top next to the Edit Profile button. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select the Authorized Apps option. On the next screen, it will show you a list of all the apps that are authorized to your Instagram account. Under each of the service, there's a Revoke Access button. Click on it to remove access of any particular app. Now, select Yes to confirm it. That's it, this is how you can remove authorized apps from Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe us for more Instagram tips and tricks.